Here's the clipper I've been trimming my hair with, the Wahl USA Elite Pro. It does a great job trimming me up, and then my wife helps me out with my neckline. It's a little big for around the ears, but it does work. Trimmer itself feels substantial and powerful. It's comfortable to hold, and the blades came nice and sharp. There's a whole bunch of guards and accessories too. I think it'd be nice to take a look at those. There's a lightweight barber cape that helps keep things tidy, and the attachment guards are from size 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.5, 1, and half. It's also got the 2 angled attachments for going around the left and right ears. The attachments hold very securely. There's no wobble to them when I use it. There's some trimming scissors that come with a protector, and there's a comb as well. And some brushes for cleaning up the attachments and tool. The cord is 8 feet long, but I really wish it were 9 or 10. That would be perfect. The case is sturdy without being overbuilt, and I know you've been waiting to see the final result. Yep, here's my finished haircut. This was entirely with the Wahl clipper, except a little bit around the ears I did with a smaller tool. I'm satisfied with the job this clipper did.